Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to cancel Apple TV subscription on iPhone, iPad and Mac. If you're using any iPhone, iPad or Mac or now you want to cancel Apple ID or Apple TV subscription, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open up your settings. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have that, you have to make sure that you're not connected in VPN. Open up your general, scroll down, go to device management and VPN settings. You have to make sure that you're not connected in VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. Once you have that, you have to simply open up your settings, go for or tap on your profile in the top right corner, and you have to select your Apple account, then select subscriptions from here, and here you'll get all the subscriptions you have on your Apple account. And once you open all the subscriptions, you can easily cancel the Apple TV subscription from there. So that's how you can easily cancel the Apple TV subscription on any iPhone, iPad or any Mac. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.